This is definitely my favorite hunting. Love squirrel hunting. Early in the morning, it's real quiet. And all you gotta do is sit and wait. Find you some nut trees, walnut, and wait. Definitely my favorite hunting. Sit and wait. Seen one. Didn't get a shot off, but seen one. Damn blue jays are giving me away. They're everywhere. They surrounded me. Telling everybody where I'm sitting. Bunch of bulls. They just need to mind their own damn business. Oh, got a squirrel. Got a squirrel. On that tree over there. See him? Uh-oh. Bunch of mountain jacks. They're too little. We'll wait for the bigger one. Oh, got a little movement. Big old red. Other side of the pond. There he goes. He's running. I could sneak over there, but we'll see. No animals were harmed in the filming of this. Trust me.